Here, JD, you go.
Mike, are you out?
Yeah, no.
Jacob, you're out, dude. I swear to God, I hit you. Yeah, Peter.
Surrender.
Haha.
I'm hit.
Peter's out. Peter's out. Let him off. Peter's out.
Oh, God.
This is epic.
Really consider that a hit. He hit me on the thumb. This hand.
I got shot in the side of the head like 8 times.
Guys, move up.
Yo, can we make it like 3 shots?
Who's left? Guys, there's only one left. Rush him, baby. Rush him.
No, Eric's left.
2 left. There's 2 left.
See that? I love this guy. He's so far up here.
Awesome, welcome.
I got hit right in the head. I can still feel the.
So did I, right here.
I felt it.
Oh, damn, that thing's nasty. That thing's nasty. That thing's nasty. Come on, Jake, you got him.
It's shotgun versus shotgun.
Yeah, dude. Oh,
Jake's hit. Oh, fuck.
gotta have quicker reflexes.
Who's that? Harrison and Barry are left.
You have to move up.
Guys, move up.
Guys, there's plenty of good cover in front of you. You're never gonna win.
Get
They
those
got
two
like 4. No,
pieces
that's
of wood.
Yo, how many guys on your team?
Harrison, go. It's 2-on-2 now.
Yo, can I
2 on 2
film
guys, you can get them.
JD, can I film? Yeah. This is zooming in and out. All right.
It's 2 on 2. Come on. For real?
Wait.
So good.
We're dead.
They aren't moving. You see my amazing moves though?
I love that surrender.
Just remind me. Just remind me to never go behind the lap.
Guys, you have to do something.
Oh.
Did you get my surrender video?
Yeah, guys, pin him down. Keep
Mike
him
got me in the
down.
thumb. How does that count? He got me on the tip of my glove thumb. That would have like he's.
Yeah, it was a nice tight pattern for an airsoft.
Dude, that like that usually.
Come on, Barry. Come on, Barry.
He's like not using the music that well though.
Barry, rush my cousin. Who, my brother?
No, my brother.
Harrison, rush. Harrison, rush.
Right,
Move
Harrison.
up.
Yeah.
Move up, somebody. Move up.
In like 2 seconds.
Yeah, sure.
Dude, I'm getting some good footage here.
You got a mod
Guys,
put out there.
come on!
It fits in, but it's like a big ass cartridge. Saw on eBay. They're so hard to get though.
Go, go, go.
Because they've like they malfunction sometimes just because they're like
Get him.
weird. Yeah, but like it's worth it usually. Dude, you look like a freaking terrorist.
Barry, get down.
Yo,
Did you shoot me?
Yeah, I got
Look out!
Shoot him.
Oh my god!
Done.
get it on video. Get it on video. All right.
Oh my god! There's a guy right to your right.
All right. Good game, guys.
All right.
Let's switch sides.